Hello everyone, how are you? I'm fine. Today we'll be doing an interesting topic called Euclidean geometry. So now we're gonna be dealing with what? Circles. Okay, so let's get on it to work. I have this dot which is what? The center of the circle. But I know what a line from the center to the circumference, it is what? The radius. So this is my what? My radius. Okay, I need to know what this one is. The what is your circumference? I need, so this one is the what? Circumference. Okay, like even if it is here like there, any line from the center to the circumference is radius. If my radius from here, it is there, it is 5. Even from here to there, it is what? 5. And I have this line called the diameter. The line called the diameter. Okay, a diameter is a special chord that passes through the center of the circle. A diameter, it is the length of a straight line segment from one point on the circumference to another point of the circumference that passes through the center of the what? Of the circle. So if another thing, this is grade 11, you have what you call a chord. Let me put it like this. Okay, and then this is what? Diameter. This is what? Chord. So a chord is a straight line joining the ends of an arc. So we can basically say this one is a what? Is an arc, but it doesn't matter. So a chord is the one that joins the ends of an arc. A diameter, it is a chord, special chord that passes through the center of the circle. A diameter length is a straight line segment from one point on the circumference to the other point on the circumference. Okay, so let me show you another thing. You have what you call a tangent. A tangent, which is something like this. Okay, so this is what? A tangent. I'm just labeling my circle so that when you work, you don't be confused. So this is my tangent. Okay, it always have a point here. Let me just put it let me not just put it here or here, whatever. It is the same. So a tangent is a line that makes contact with the circle at one point. So this is one point, this is one point on the circumference. So let me put A, B, and then I can put P. So A, B is a tangent at point P. That's how it works. So now, before I continue with grade 11, let's revise grade 10 and whatever. I get this is what grade 11 is saying. But now we have to revise the straight line. This is geometry, guys. Whatever you learned in grade 8 is gonna be there in grade 11 and 12 and everywhere. So the adjacent angles on a straight line are supplementary. What does supplementary mean? They add up to 1/8. So sub 1/8. So check if you have something like this, 1, 2, 3. It basically means what maybe lana have for A. So you know most from your primary, angle A1 plus angle A2 plus angle A3 is equals to 180. That's what it is. Okay, and then manje angles around a point sum to 360. These ones 1, 2, 3, 4. A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4 is equals to 360. I know with me, but I have 0.8 there. Okay, the last one, vertical opposite angles are equal. This is revision, guys. So maybe I have, let me use O1. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and then 4. So I know which O1 is equals to O3, and then O2 is equals to O4. This is just a revision. So Euclidean geometry will be dealing with circles, whereby I have the diameter is a special line that passes through the center, and then from the other end of a circumference to the other end of a circumference, I have the radius, the line from the center to the circumference. I have the chord, and then this is the grade 10 and 9 revision. Straight line, they add up to 180, and then yeah, vertical opposite angles and stuff. Let's continue to the interesting things. So now let's do what you call parallel lines. So please guys, be careful there, and you have to listen attentively. Whenever they tell you something it is parallel it is noted by this. Whenever they tell you something it is parallel to the other thing, you have to draw what you call fan. You see, this is what they do. They can say this angle it is close to that angle, this angle is close to that angle, and then this angle is close to that angle. Given that this it is parallel to that one, this is parallel to that one, and then this is parallel to that one. You see, this is how it works. So we have what you call corresponding angles, or shorten it corresponding angles, which is what the F shape. So it is like this. I have my parallel lines that are shown here. So this angle it is equal to that angle. You see, that is what it is. And then I have what, secondly, alternate angle, alt angles, which are represented as what, Z or N, because you see it can be Z or N. So let me just put this one, because I know what this one it is what parallel to, it is equals to that one, given that this line it is parallel to that line. So they do what, this one it is equals to that one. You see, the last one it is what, co-interior angle, whereby I have my angles inside adding to 180. This angle plus this angle gives me 180, whereby I'm given what they are parallel. So for parallel lines, it is denoted by this thing. So whereby they are saying something it is parallel to this one, apply these things and see which shape it is forming. If it is forming an F shape, know what it is corresponding angle. If it is forming a Z or N shape, it is alternate angle. If it is forming a U shape, know what it was, interior angles. Okay, so let's check the triangles now. So the interior angle of a triangle are supplementary, you know, most are supplementary. They do what, they add up to 180. You see, this and this and this add up to 180. So A, B, C add up to 180. Sometimes we can say sum of angles, sum of angles in a triangle. This is the reason. Okay, you must know this thing. And then now check this one. They love this one. They love it because it confuses most of the people. So I'm gonna be saying this one, the exterior angle, which is this one of a triangle, is equal to the sum of the interior opposite angles. So this one it is equals to this one plus this one. So let me just say C, then A, and then B. So C it is equals to A plus B. So let me just say C1 and C2. So C1 it is equals to angle A plus B. Please be careful with this one. And then the equilateral triangle. So you know what it is sometimes called the what, isosceles triangle, whereby wait, this is equilateral. Oh, so it means what, this side and that side and this side, this angle and that angle are equal. So they add up to 60, and then which one means what, they are equal. So this is called the equilateral triangle. But this one, guys, please know it. And this one, they are most usually there in the exam. And the last one, it is angles opposite angle sides are equal. Sides opposite angles are equal. So this one, it is what, the isosceles triangle, whereby this side it is equal to that side, which means what, this angle it is equal to that angle. So I hope you understand this one. I basically revision. Okay, so guys, I hope you understood and enjoyed the lesson. It was just an introduction of Euclidean geometry. We're still gonna do the theorems. You are still trying to remind yourselves and everything. Okay, so these are the triangles whereby everything add up to 180. Sum of angles in a triangle and add up to 180. This one, it is what, the exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the interior opposite angles. Yes, C1 is equals to A plus B. The second last is what, whereby an equilateral triangle is there, all sides are equal. And then the last one, it is the what, an angle opposite sides are equal, sides opposite what are equal. Okay, so I hope you understood and enjoyed. Thank you.